going on, guys? Today we are back with another episode of Habibi Motorsports. Today we've got an exciting new thing. We are actually going to be putting a catback exhaust. It's actually, to be specific, it's an AWE Track Edition catback exhaust on a brand new 2025 E-Ray Corvette. This thing is clean, it is nice, and it's going to sound amazing. I'd like to get a little bit of a startup clip for you guys so you can hear a little bit of before and after. We're gonna go ahead and hop in and fire this thing up. Yeah,
damn, brother. Damn, brother.
Yes, sir. I am excited like a kid on Christmas. You don't know.
This guy's on.
You guys have.
This guy had too. Whoa! This guy had too much crack this weekend. Whoa! What is this? Dun, dun, dun.
It appears that we have a nice heat shield and/or some type of display plate. I'll let you guys know when I get the instructions out because I know this thing comes with all kinds of cool parts.
Yeah, this is actually sick. Check that out, guys.
Anybody need some paper? Let me know. We've got a lot. Sure, you could probably make a couple new trees with this. I don't know. Ooh, we have parts.
Lots of parts.
I am excited to lay these out kind of in order and see what this thing's gonna look like. This system actually doesn't have any mufflers, so it should be really loud. It should sound good.
Is this just a catback?
Straight up.
Track pack.
Track.
We got that track pack.
Both of the flex sections here. I'm excited to work on this car, guys. This is the first E-Ray that we've had in the shop, and I'm just really excited to get to work on this.
He's fired up. All right, let's see what these tips are about here. Oh! Wait, what is this?
Oh, there we go. Hold on a second. Wait.
Whoa, whoa, whoa! Oh, a sucker! Right, no way they give us a sucker.
Forget all of this. I'm gonna need that.
There are ways to go about installing your new.
Put this together.
Here you go, bro.
Are these the destructions?
Oh, there we go.
Oh, there we
That's
go.
what we're waiting on.
That adds how many horsepower? 50?
It's like a $2,500 sticker right here.
Yep.
Came with a free exhaust.
Judging by the quality of the exhaust here, I really think it's going to go together really well.
AWE is a solid company.
Yeah, definitely. All right, guys, I'm going to go ahead and get ripped into this thing. We're starting a disassembly process. First thing we've got to do, we've got to get these massive factory wheels off of this car. Second thing we're gonna do is go ahead and remove some of this under paneling and some of the air ducting just to get room so we can access some of the bumper bolts. Got the bumper off, we're getting this muffler pulled down, we've got the mid mounts pulled out, we've got all the electrical connectors disconnected, and then we've got the rear mounts unbolted actually, so the whole exhaust system will kind of sag down. Now I can get to the actual bolts that attach that whole, because it's one piece. That whole exhaust system will come out in one piece. As soon as I get the 5 bolts to hold it in there out, you guys will see it on the ground. We got the old exhaust out. The factory exhaust is now on the floor. Look at that thing. That is a big, heavy, stock, quiet piece of machinery right there. We're replacing it with a straight pipe with 0 valves, 0 resonators, and 0 mufflers because that's what we do.
Because you don't need valves when you have electric mode.
Yeah, you just
Imagine hearing the engine and the electric motor.
We've got everything taken apart. We've got the whole car prepped up. We've got we're actually deleting the valves off of this car because we're going full on straight pipe. We want all the rowdiness. The simulators, those are plugged in, so hopefully that'll take care of any dash lights. And then now I've got the new flex section for the passenger side. I'm gonna go ahead and get this thing bolted in, get the driver's side flex section bolted in, and then we'll give you a little bit of an update on kind of how to get this X-pipe system and everything put together and properly installed. Little trick, anytime you're doing an exhaust on really any of the C8 Corvettes, leave this driver's side pipe loose until you can get the X-pipe in, clamped down, everything adjusted and mainly centered because to be honest, the entire fitment of this exhaust really just depends on this, how this pipe fits in the car. So take a little bit of time to do it right, save you a lot in the long run. Another little trick for you. Anytime you're installing a new exhaust, make sure that you clean it out. If you look inside of here, it's it's kind of hard to see probably, but it is full of little dust and metal shavings and oil and debris, and all that stuff's gonna do is burn off once you start the car, and then you get to breathe it in. So if you wash it out before you install it on the car, it saves you all that headache. It's hot. It's took a little longer than I wanted to.
What did he say?
Exciting part's done. We've got the whole exhaust system in there. Now we're just gonna test fit the bumper, line up the tips, get all that stuff clamped down, finalized, and then after that it should just be wrapping everything up there. We got Brandon over here. He's gonna give us a hand hanging this bumper up.
Will they get it first try? The 2025 Corvette E-Ray bumper install. Not too shabby. All right, we got the bumper partially on, enough that we can adjust the tips. What do you guys think? I think they look sick. AJ's just throwing the fender liners in, and then we're gonna get a first startup of this new exhaust.
I can't wait. It's gonna sound awesome. There's about 14,000 bolts in these things.
Yeah,
so
look at this.
You guys ever?
Holy shit.
Oh yeah, and I got a handful of those too. So if you ever take the fender liners or the underpinning off of this car, be prepared. There's a lot of bolts.
The hardware's on, folks. None was lost. Good work. And now we're gonna put these Schmeats on. Guys, look at that thing. Good Lord. That's a Schmeat, boy.
All right, everybody, we've got this thing put back together. We got the wheels back on, bumpers back on, exhaust is shining pretty underneath. We're gonna go ahead and give you guys the first startup. Alright guys, if you have a C8 Corvette and you want to make it fast, you want to make it loud, you want to make it cool, give us a call at Habibi Motorsports. Like, follow, subscribe, share, tell all your friends, tell all your family. We want to see you, we want to hear from you, we want to see your car, we want to build your car. We'll catch you on the next episode.